this on right here. For all them girls who thirst. You know what I'm saying? You be all up on you, boy. You know who you is. She thirst, 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 she thirst.
Hey, Tariq.
In the house with the one and only Shaan.
She thirst, she thirst, she thirst, she thirst.
Then I started doing Punjabi films. Why I did them? Because I wanted to tell them that I'm one of you.
I can say, oh,
Exactly.
Be wiped up. She like my swag.
You're the only celebrity I know who has triplets. You're very much a family man.
With a G, first class. She wanna fly.
Yes, he's very, very cute.
She coulda, woulda, yeah, she shoulda. When it come to pulling chicks on the she like my swag.
Okay, what does Shaan mean? $1 million.
Swag. She like my haircut. She like my smile. She want me wiped up.
6 women in my life.
Oh my God, you lucky man.
टी विद टी देखिए हर पीर की रात 9:05 पर ओनली ऑन A+।